Carefully cut the packing straps with a utility knife. Remove the cardboard corner protectors. Lift off the packaging box, remove the side protectors, and take out the top cushion. Select an appropriate on-site location to pre-install a mounting bracket. Mark the drilling positions on the bracket drill holes. Then secure the mounting frame to the bracket using an M1250 bolt set. Tighten the screws with a torque of 35.5 Nm. Select an appropriate location for the mounting bracket. Mark the drilling positions. Align the inverter hooks with the bracket slots. Insert and secure the bottom with M10-18 bolts at 15 Nm. The customer could choose to install sunshade according to the site. Strip the insulation from the grounding cable. Slide on heat shrink tubing, crimp the terminal, and seal with heat. Align the terminal with the inverter PE terminal and secure with an M10 bolt. Optionally, apply anti-corrosion coating. Disconnect the AC circuit breaker and hang a warning sign. Open the terminal box cover and protective cover with a T30 wrench. Trim the outer gland. Feed the AC cable approximately 430 mm. Strip the outer sheet to 390 mm and insulation to 18 mm. Crimp OD or DT terminals with heat shrink tubing and seal. Tighten terminals according to labels. Close the protective cover, seal gaps with fireproof putty, and ensure waterproofing. Ensure all DC switches are off. Strip PV cable insulation by 8-10 and crimp the correct polarity terminals. Thread through the cable gland, secure with an insulating sleeve. And verify polarity with the multimeter. Insert the connector vertically into the inverter port until it clicks. Then gently pull to confirm secure connection. Install dust caps on unused ports. Keep DC switches off until commissioning per section 5.2. Prepare tools and ensure the inverter is powered off. Disassemble the communication connector and thread the shielded twisted pair cable through the nut and sealing ring. Strip 40 mm of outer sheath and 7 mm of insulation, then crimp pin terminals. Wire according to pinout. Install dust caps and tighten the nut. Insert the connector. Check shield grounding and communication LED. Then verify communication via software. After verifying all connections and grounding, turn on the auxiliary switch. Sequentially close DC switches, then turn off the auxiliary switch. Close the AC breaker, check voltage, and complete grid tie initialization via the Hoymiles app. Verify module compatibility and power off the inverter. Remove the USB dust cap, insert the Bluetooth dongle, and tighten the nut to secure. Download the Hoymiles installer app. Scan the Bluetooth device, set language or account, then monitor or adjust parameters.